What's up, everybody? If you can't tell, I got a new camera, so I'm testing it out right now. My lighting isn't the best because I'm just gonna get ready really fast. My hair is like this because today's video is going to be about a hair product that I got. So I did a video, I think a couple months back. Let me actually find specifically when I did that one. So I did my trying an Amazon hair tool a year ago. Wait a second. A year ago? Okay, I thought it was a couple months ago, but it's because this year feels like it's already been like 3 years in 1 year, so the time's not really adding up. But I did my trying my Amazon hair tool, which was a wand that came with multiple different wands that you attach to the actual like product. I did that review, but I wanted to do another one. But I was on TikTok, as always, you know, it's like the only thing keeping me entertained because I don't know, YouTube's just a little bit more dry now, and like TikTok's just very addicting and funny. Anyways, there was this girl that popped up on my For You page, and she was trying this hair straightener, and I haven't upgraded my hair straightener since I think the 8th grade, and it's the the original Chi straightener, the black one. So I've had that one forever, and she was straightening her hair with this one really cool product, which I'm gonna show you guys now. It's the Tymo, which this like kind of reminds me of like Daiso products, right? Like the vacuum. So I got this, which is called the Tymo Ring Hair Straightening Comb. It says it has 5 temperature levels for different hair types. It takes up to 60 seconds to warm up, 30 minutes auto off, so it'll stay on and then it'll turn off by itself after 30 minutes. It has a 360 swivel power cord, an internal dual voltage of 110 and 240, and then it also has an auto temperature lock. So if you want it to be at exactly 338 degrees, it'll stay at that. So the box is pretty big, and I'm quite excited to use this hair tool because it's different, and it's not like where it's like 2 parts of the straightener and you just like go like that. It's a whole like comb system. But the girl in the video made it look super easy and super fast. She said it took her about 15 minutes to do her hair with this product. And let's see if it saves me some time. So, time to put on my face real quick. This is my old straightener. And it's old, but it really does the same job, so. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. So it says, the straightening comb incorporates PTC heating technology that reaches 350 degrees within 30 seconds and is ready in 60 seconds. It saves time when it straightens more hair at once. Let's see what this is. Look, it comes with this little pink brush. So it comes with that. It comes with these hair clips to hold your hair, but to be honest, these don't really work with my hair because I have really thick hair, so I use this. They also give you a Michael Jackson Thriller glove, so that's cool. They give you this little bag. It comes with a little bag. Oh my goodness. Okay, wait. This is like futuristic, and it also, it's giving me very Dice. Is that what it is? I said Daiso. It's Dyson energy. And it says it can do big chunks at a time, so let's really put that to the test. We're gonna start with a big, thick chunk. No, you know, let's start with like a little bit, half of that. It's kind of like a lot of hair already. And then we'll go from there. Oh, that's hot. You guys, that was really easy, and I need to stand on my tippy toes. Hold up. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest of my hair. I'm gonna time it to see how long it takes to do it. Okay, so I'm gonna start now. 17 minutes and 33 seconds, minus 2 minutes because I took my camera off the tripod to go charge it because it's already pretty low. You guys, 15 minutes technically, or 16 minutes, and my entire head is straight. And it's so easy to use. Like, are you kidding me? And And it comes with a brush and a Michael Jackson Thriller glove. Like, it can't get better than that. Like, I gotta go. It's too good. It's too good. You guys, I'm actually impressed myself and I'm so happy with how it turned out. It was worth every single penny in my pocket. It was so fast. It was so easy. Please go get it. It's gonna save you guys time. I swear, I promise you, it works so good. So, all you mothers out there with doggies and children and whoever you take care of, if you're on the go and you're busy, or if you don't have any dogs or any children and you're just a busy person in general, you work like 50 hours a week and you're like always rushing to put on your makeup and run out the door, this is the hair product for you. This is the hair product for you. But that pretty much concludes this video. I wanted to strictly just show you guys my little review on this hair product and not like chitter chatter a whole lot. Make sure to give this video a nice beautiful big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. We are super close to 700 subscribers, so please click that red subscribe button and become a part of my little tiny family. Make sure you guys wash your hands, brush your teeth, wear your mask, try to stay positive. Guys, this was fun. Thank you guys so much for watching again. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.